Hello, this is Billy Core from the Nostalgia Mall, and welcome to the first official video of 2022. Again, I apologize for the lack of videos as of late. Things have been very busy in my life. I've just had a lot going on, but I'm going to try my best to get some videos out here soon. But until then, I just wanted to make a quick little update video on how the computer situation is around here. But first of all, you may notice the audio sounds a little bit different. That's because I am using a lapel mic now that was given to me by my wife for Christmas this year. Hopefully it sounds okay. I'm trying my best to improve the visual and audio quality of my videos as much as I can for this year. Here's the little thing that connects to the camera. It's just dangling off right now. I need to find some Velcro and probably attach it to the camera somehow, but anyway, hope it sounds okay to you guys. Here's the Legend 822 CDT. Nothing's really changed with it. I've got the Legend 130 CD Supreme over here now, as you can see, in all its flickery goodness. And the Gateway 2000, I've been doing a lot of work on it. I've been readjusting its SD card situation. It's kind of complicated. Main computer over there. And this is the biggest change. This desk. I bought this desk for $15 at Goodwill the other week. And originally I had the Legend 130 CD Supreme on it. Right here on the on this piece of wood right here. And it's it was making it bow a little bit, so that's why I moved the 130 CD Supreme over here to this desk and moved the Legend 1540 Supreme over to this desk instead. That way I wouldn't have a big computer and monitor weighing heavy on this piece of wood. And I think it works quite well actually over here. And there it is in all its glory. Again, this was given to me for Christmas by my wife. You can see the Nostalgia Mall Christmas video all about that. Now this is exciting. You may recall back in 2012, nearly 10 years ago, I was given by some friends of mine a Packard Bell Platinum 2240. And it was in mint condition, had all the bells and whistles with it, all the goodies that came with it. And I had it for a couple of years until 2014 when I had to sell it for financial purposes. Well, the person I sold it to was local to my area, and he contacted me about a week ago saying that he was trying to get rid of some things he doesn't use anymore. And he asked me if I would like to have it back. And I said, of course. And so, back in my collection, down here is the Platinum 2240. I haven't had a chance to do anything with it yet. It's just been sitting here since last Saturday. I've actually been sick this week, so I really haven't had much motivation to work on stuff like this. But it's I'm glad to have it back. I also have a storage unit now just down the road from here that I can store some of my lesser used computer equipment. And so I'm glad to finally be able to have some extra storage around here. Makes things a lot more tidy. I can actually walk into my office now. It's still a mess, but yeah, everything's in good shape now, as far as I know. This, real quick, this computer, it needs help. This is my main Pentium 2 machine. I was using it for a while. I really like this computer, but I think it's got both a power supply problem and a motherboard problem. So I've got a power supply to put in here, but I don't have a Pentium 2 motherboard to put in here. So I'm going to be on the lookout for a Pentium 2 slot 1 motherboard, preferably an Intel 440BX, because the one that's in here now is a 440LX. So it would be nice to upgrade that. Also, for Christmas this year, from my mom, she got me this. This is a miniature arcade 1-up cabinet for Pac-Man. It actually has several games installed on here. Forgot how to reset it, but it has Pac-Man, Galaga, Pac Plus, I think it's called, and my personal favorite, Dig Dug. Oh, it's Pac and Pal, which I've never played before, actually, until I got this. I love Dig Dug. In fact, if the best Dig Dug player I've ever seen is my friend Graham, aka Computer Kid 1416. He actually has an official original Dig Dug arcade cabinet in his house, so that he fully restored. Go check out his video on his channel if you want to see that. It is really cool, and he's actually made Twin Galaxy high scores on there before, I think. Let's see if we can get this guy. This thing is really cool. I got it on there on the hutch above my Legend 1540 Supreme. Oh, what else should I mention? I don't have it on, but I've got this Optiplex 3010 desktop right here that I picked up at a church yard sale a few months ago. Couldn't find a use for it until recently. I've turned it into a Batocera computer, which I've talked about before. It's basically a more powerful RetroPie, because we're actually running it on a full x86 system with a Core i5. So it's able to play all kinds of console games, so I'm very pleased with that. Also, speaking of pies, here's my Raspberry Pi, which it's a Raspberry Pi 3 Plus, and I've actually turned it into a file server. And thanks to a how-to video from Retro Tech Chris, so I've been able to get rid of my virtual domain that I have on my main computer. And here's my Legend 130, showing it in action. The one problem I've had with it, though, lately, and I can't understand why, is when you go to install software on Windows 9X from the Raspberry Pi server. Let's say you want to go to install Office 97. Okay, that's a completely different problem there. That's just, that was unplanned. That was Windows just being a nut job. Okay, I don't know. Normally my 822 is more of a dependable than that. Let's try the gateway and see if it has any better luck. Like, you go to install Office 97, watch what it does. You get this error right here. And if you go to install, let's say, Adobe Acrobat 3.0, you get a much similar error. If anyone has any idea of what could be causing this problem, please let me know, because it's very irritating, especially since I've recently reformatted this gateway and I need to get software installed on it. So I'm kind of in trouble, I guess you could say. So anyway, I guess that'll about do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope the sound was okay. I'll see if I can show the little mic there. So, until next time, this is Billy Core, signing off. Thank you for visiting the Nostalgia Mall. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You may also support me on Patreon if you would like. Until next time, this is Billy Core, signing off.